How's it going, you guys? We are currently standing outside of one of the newest communities here in Southwest Bakersfield, and I'm super excited to show you guys this home right behind me. You're gonna be surprised. But before we do so, I wanna tell you a little bit about this neighborhood. It is all the way far west in Southwest Bakersfield. So it's more west than a lot of the other new construction communities, which for a lot of people, they like because it's a little bit further from all the shopping, but you're still about 5 minutes away and you're in an area that has amazing schools. So this specific community only has 3 floor plans. The smallest one, which is all the way over here, and then on the other side, the biggest one right behind me. I have a video on that one on my page, so go check that out. But the one we're checking out today is this one right here, which is the middle one. It is the mid-size one as opposed to the other 2. And I'm excited to show you guys this one because it will give you an idea of what's available out here. This home is 1865 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. So it has tons of space for a 3-bedroom home. Let's go in and check out this home, and remember to stay until the end of the video for the good news, the best news you will ever hear in your entire lives. Alrighty, as soon as we come in, we have this nice entry area, and then we have the stairs right behind that go into the 2nd story, which has the 3 bedrooms. We will check that out later, you guys. But as we're checking out this living area, I want to let you guys know that this home is actually one of the homes that has the lowest price for a 2-story in the area. Right now, there's one available at $389,000, but just in general, we're looking at about $390,000 to about $400,000, which is amazing for this area. And yes, that has to do with the style of the neighborhood. A lot of the homes here are pushed together a little bit more, and they have smaller, slim yards, which I'm going to show you towards the end of this video. That way you get an idea. But for those of you that are open to something like this, this could actually be such a great option for you. I'll talk to you a little bit about some of the deals that we can get on a home like this because that is going to surprise you. Check out this beautiful kitchen area. We have this nice long kitchen. It's nice and modern, but also with the warm tones. Guys, they are going to do this exact same cabinet color with all of the floor plans here. So if you like this style, that's amazing because you get that warm tone. And then the flooring here is this nice tile flooring. So this isn't the vinyl flooring. It's not hardwood. It is wood-like tile, which is really nice and durable when getting into a brand new home. Right over here on our left, we have the door to our 2-car garage. I know it doesn't look like they had a garage, but the garages are actually around the back side of the homes rather than the front. So we're gonna go check that out after. You're gonna be surprised with how it looks. It's really unique compared to just the regular homes in Bakersfield. You have this nice closet space right here, and we're leaving the half bathroom, which is great because if you have people over, you know that you get a half bathroom downstairs. All right, so you do get your refrigerator right here. With most homes, it's typically not included, but because they have a lot of homes closing soon, we typically can get that refrigerator included for you. But aside from that refrigerator, you always get the microwave, stove, oven, and dishwasher with pretty much every single home. But like I said, depending on the deal we're able to get, we could get that refrigerator and potentially your washer and dryer, which would save you a good amount of money up front, a few $1,000s. Alrighty, so let's make our way upstairs. Alright, so I know you're enjoying the video, but I'm going to interrupt you really quickly. We'll be right back to the home tour. I want to let you guys know that if you see me going through some of these new construction homes, some of the model homes, and you're like, dang, I want to go out there and take a look at these homes for myself. I do want to advise you that before you go out and plan on looking at some new construction communities, whether you're like, hey, I'm going to go out there by myself to all of these communities, and you go in and sign in at their little front desk, or you scan the QR codes to sign into the houses. When you do that, a lot of the times you're actually giving up your ability to have a real estate agent like myself represent you. And even though new construction already has amazing deals, my connections with all of the different builders and the relationships I've built with most of my clients were able to negotiate an even better deal than what's being offered. So I don't want you to miss out on that. So instead of going and scanning in at these different communities or going on your own and signing in, please just schedule a phone consultation with me. The link is down below in the description. That way we can talk about your plans and go out and see homes, and I'll help you find whatever you're looking for and make sure you don't miss any opportunities. Let's get back to the video. To check this out, like I said, stay until the end because I'm going to tell you what kind of deals we can get on a home like this and the other two floor plans that are in this neighborhood. So over here we have our other 2 bedrooms, laundry, and our bathroom, but let's actually turn around and enter into the master bedroom first. So we have this nice and spacious master bedroom. This room is a really good size. This is probably a king bed from what I can see. And you have this nice bright area. These windows bring in a lot of light. And let's make our way over here into the master bathroom. You get so much walking space. Look down right here, like what in the world? So much walking space. It's probably about 10 feet from here to that, I forget, I had a brain fart. Over here to where the sinks are at. And then we have this nice standing shower, which actually has tile going all the way up. You don't get that in a lot of homes. Right next to that, we have our toilet with a separate door right here. And then something you don't see as well in a lot of homes, our master closet has a window, which is really cool. Check that out. We have these shelves right behind the door. And then on the other side, nice amount of space. You could even add something else in here for some more storage. All right, let's leave this master and check out these other 2 bedrooms. So let's go into this one right here first. Like I said, this home has 3 bedrooms. And then we have our closet right there with our regular sliding doors. Let's go in and check out the next bedroom. Like I told you guys, this house is located in a really good area, really far west. For those of you that are familiar with Bakersfield, you know that this is a highly desired area. We're right next to Seven Oaks, which is honestly one of the top gated communities in Bakersfield, and a lot of the good schools are in that area. And this neighborhood actually falls under a lot of the same schools. So you're in an area with amazing schools. Let's check out this laundry room, washer, dryer, and then right over here we have all of our shelves. So you do get a lot of storage. Let's check out this bathroom. But yeah, you guys, it's in a great area, and the pricing for this home being in the high 300s is unheard of right now for new construction in Southwest Bakersfield. A lot of homes are in the 400s, even if they're in the low 400s. But here, this home is in the high 300s, so is the smaller one, and then the biggest one is right around that $400,000 price range. So if you guys are interested in these, I would show you all 3 of these floor plans because they are very close in pricing and they are really nice houses. But let's go check out this backyard that you actually get. So I can't open this. Actually, I can. Alrighty, here we go. So you get a bit of a slimmer side yard. That is the only thing with these homes. But when I showed clients these homes, they were actually surprised because we get about, let's say 20 feet. It varies depending on what house we're getting. in this neighborhood. But for this one, as an example, you get about 20 feet. Some of them you maybe get like 15 feet. And then it actually goes all the way back here and wraps around to where your garage is at. So the way these homes are, our garage is right here. As you can see, the other garage is back there. So it's one long driveway that comes in and has 3 houses on one side and then 3 on this side. So basically people that live in 6 homes will be going into the same bigger driveway and then splitting into their own driveways with their 2-car garages. So I hope that gives you guys an idea. And if you are interested in this home or in this neighborhood, I told you I would tell you about some of the deals we might be able to get. You guys, we could actually get all of your closing costs covered for you by the builder, which saves you about $10,000 to $12,000 up front. So you're only coming in with your down payment. With a minimum down payment, that could be about $15,000 for this home or one of the ones in this neighborhood. Then we can get you a special interest rate. Right now, we can get you as low as about 4.99 on an interest rate, which is almost an entire percentage lower than the current interest rate for just the regular market. So that's gonna save you a couple $100 a month. That's why a lot of my clients are getting into brand new homes recently. So there's a lot of money to save with a home like this. And if you are interested, you guys, this is the Bronte floor plan. You can message me and I would be more than happy to get on a phone call with you. There's a link down below in the description to get on a call with me. If you're like, hey, I wanna buy a home within this next year. Link is down below, schedule a call with me. And if you liked this home, just say, hey, I'm interested in the Bronte or something like that. If you don't like this home, there are so many other new construction homes. We'll talk about what you're looking for and your plans and how I can help you. If you're someone who's like, I don't really want to talk to you yet, I just want to know what it's kind of like to get into a new home, what the process is like, what the requirements are, and just get a general idea, then you need to download my completely free Bakersfield new construction guide. The link is here in the corner. Go ahead and download that. It'll help you get an idea of what it's like to get into a new home out here. And if you guys have any questions, reach out to me. With that being said, it is now time for the good news, the best news you will ever hear in your entire life, and that is the Bible verse, John 3:16. For God so loved the world, he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish, but have eternal life. Let's actually go outside. You guys, this house is absolutely amazing, and there are so many amazing things in this life, as many of you know. But the one thing about this life and everything we could have here, whether it is a home, achievements, finances, no matter what it may be, you guys, all of it is going to come to an end. My car over there, everything is going to break down, come to an end, even down to our own lives, you guys. And the truth is, every single thing is temporary, but I'm here to tell you that there is a home in heaven waiting for me, waiting for you, that we get to have for eternity, not temporary, okay? And that home God has for me, for you. And the one thing about it though, there's one issue and why this verse is so important, is that we are all sinners. We're separated from God because of our sin. We've all done wrong, whether it was stealing something, lying, whatever it may be. Any little wrong makes us sinners and separates us from God. And because we've been separated from God, we do not deserve to get into his kingdom and to inherit the kingdom of God and to be with him forever and ever and ever with full joy, love, and peace. But God loved us so much, and Easter is actually coming up. So if you don't know what Easter is about or the real reason why we're celebrating Easter, let me tell you right now. Easter is coming up, and this is the perfect time actually. It's literally this weekend. So if you're looking for somewhere to go for Easter, to hear about what Jesus did for you, you guys, the link is down below to go to to check out the church that I go to, and you can actually stop by. It's at the bottom of almost all of my videos now. Click that link, come check out my church where I go and where I have my church family, and you guys will enjoy it, I promise you. But that aside, the thing was that we are separated from God because of our own sin. But He loves us so much that He decided to come down as a human being, Jesus Christ, and live a perfect life that I could never live, that you could never live. And after He lived that perfect life that we could never live, He allowed Himself to be crucified on the cross by His own creation, human beings. And He took on the punishment on the cross for our own sin, for my sin, for your sin, for the sins of the world. He took that punishment on the cross. He paid the ultimate price that we deserved to pay. And now, for anyone that decides to believe in Him and put their faith and their trust in Jesus Christ, they get to inherit the kingdom of God forever and ever. So I hope that you think about that, because I made that decision for my life, because I know there is nothing. I just got a house. I have this cool car. I'm 23 years old. God has blessed me so much and is helping me help so many of you get into homes. But I know everything I have, even relationships that I have, anything and everything that I have, people can go away. Like, you never know what's going to happen in your life. Even the most blessings that God has given you, that He has for you to enjoy and for you to steward in your own life and take care of. Like, there is so much that God has done for so many of you and for me. But He does not want us to put our ultimate faith and our trust in the things of this world. Nothing. Because anything can happen. So He wants us to put our ultimate faith and our trust in Jesus Christ Himself, in God. So I hope you guys think about that, because God has absolutely changed my life. And if you place your faith in Jesus, you will see how He transforms your life. But like I said, if you want to go to my church this weekend, click the link below. Check it out. It will be so cool. If you see me, introduce yourself. I'll probably be there at some time throughout the day on Sunday. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. And if you need anything at all, or you're looking to get into a home, reach out to me. You guys, I'm more than happy to help you guys out. Have an amazing, blessed day.